Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running a Wix e-commerce store and thinking about scaling up your shipping operations, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to add a fulfillment partner to your online store using Wix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect with a third-party logistics provider, which means less time worrying about packing and shipping, and more time focusing on growing your business. All right, let's dive right in. You'll start by heading to the Wix site dashboard. If you've got multiple websites, make sure you're working on the correct one, the one you want to connect to your new fulfillment partner. Double check, just so you don't accidentally update the wrong store. Once you're in the right place, look for the settings option. The settings area is kind of like your store's back office, where you control all the behind-the-scenes magic. Next, inside settings, you'll want to choose shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. This section handles everything about getting your products to your customers. Take a moment to get familiar with this space. Knowing where different options live will save you time as your business grows. Now, scroll down until you see a section labeled Fulfillment Services. This is where Wix lets you connect with third-party apps that handle everything from storage to packing to sending out your orders. Look for a button or link inviting you to manage these fulfillment services and give it a click. This will open up a list of available third-party logistics providers, sometimes called 3PLs. Think of these as specialized companies whose whole job is to ship products efficiently. They're the experts, so connecting with them can really streamline your workflow. You'll see several apps or services listed here. Take a minute to glance through the options. If you're not sure which one suits your business best, you can usually click on an app's name for a bit more info, like reviews or feature highlights. Once you've found the fulfillment partner that matches your needs, select it. Here's an important step. You'll likely be presented with an agreement or terms of service before you can proceed. This is standard. Just make sure you've read through or at least skimmed, so you know what you're agreeing to. When you're comfortable, click Agree and Add. Congratulations, the partner is now being added to your site. But before the connection is complete, you'll need to fill in a few details so the provider can set up your account correctly. This is where you'll put in your first and last name, your business's name and website, as well as your phone number. These bits of info help your new fulfillment partner understand who they're working with and keep all communication smooth. Now, you'll see a question. How many orders are you shipping per month? Be honest here, even if your numbers vary. This helps the logistics provider tailor their service and give you accurate pricing or support. Enter your preferred email address and set a strong password. Remember, passwords keep your fulfillment data secure, so try not to reuse one you use elsewhere. If you ever forget it, there's always a reset option, so don't stress too much. Once you have all those fields filled out, go ahead and click Get Started. Take a breath. You've just connected your Wix store to a fulfillment service provider. From here, your partner can handle shipping logistics, help ensure customers get their orders quickly, and free you up for more important things. And that's all there is to it. Nice work. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like. Drop any questions you have about fulfillment in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more e-commerce tips, be sure to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.